Hi, it's a fabulous day in Coto de Caza, and today we're going to take a look at this windmill. This is a 12-foot Aermotor model 702 built by Steel Valley Products in 1976. Now this windmill, it sits alongside the 11th green on our north course. It has great views, fairways and greens. And this windmill is identical to the Aermotor windmill that we have on the south course at hole 13. And you can tell if you compare the undersides of those two windmills side by side. So I'm not sure if this is the original frame, but it could be. And the tail over here, this is an Aermotor, and it would have been stenciled Aermotor USA. And the undersides, they look pretty much intact, and they actually are in working condition. So I mentioned this windmill was probably built in 1976, but I doubt if it's original to Coto de Caza. It likely came over from one of our neighboring properties like Bell Canyon or Wagon Wheel a little bit later when they opened up this golf course in 1987. Now this is the best part of our windmill. If you look closely here, you see this little piston-like bobber that moves up and down. Now the bobber is connected to a rocker arm that's hidden underneath the hood, and the other side of the bobber would have been connected to a long rod or a shaft that extends all the way down the windmill. And then that's connected to a pipe that extends into the well. And as the shaft goes up and down, it pumps water through a series of check valves to get to the surface. Now once on the surface, the water would be collected in a trough or a basin, maybe pumped to another area for the livestock like the sheep, or maybe a few cattle, or maybe a few horses. All right, so I hope you enjoyed our Aermotor model 702 built by Steel Valley Products in 1976. And please watch my other windmill videos of our windmills at Coto, and please have a great day.